Live action. Live action. Get whammied. Oh, got him. Let's go. First pickle of the day. Hello, sir. Hashtag safe release. Whammy. Yes, sir. Live interview. Live interview with Super Gav and his super bass. That's a nice one. I mean, that's a freaking hog. What a monster.
I was pulling my worm out of the water and he said,
Whoop! Whammy.
and I said, whammy.
You whammied him. Nice job, man. Who'd you like to thank? Who do you want to thank?
I'd like to thank the Wolfing Stick.
Shout out Bass Pro Shops.
Columbia.
Yep.
Shout out Columbia.
And hey, shout out Safe Releases. Yay. Nice.